the 100-year flip. How are you? I am blessed. I cannot complain. Today we have an exciting video. We finally decided what we want to do with the kitchen. And we have been clearing out everything room by room, taking out a little bit of trash here, a little bit of trash there. We finally decided what we want to do with the kitchen, and it's final. We're not adding anything, we're not taking away anything. We have completed the floor plan, and I am excited because now we can just push through without having to stop and rethink everything. So I'm excited. In today's video, we will be taking out the pantry and we will be removing the walls. Now, in the previous video, you guys kind of got a peek of us removing the cabinets that was on the wall, but we're completing it today. We've decided that we want to replace everything, including the walls. So we've already removed this wall. If you have been here from the beginning, then you know that this used to be a wall. It was separating the kitchen from the living room. I didn't like the way that it kind of made everything seem smaller, and you didn't get a lot of natural light. I didn't like that, so I knew from the jump I wanted to remove this wall. So we're removing the rest. We're almost there. We're closer, and I'm excited. The floor plan is final. We're not changing anything, and I'm just ready to jump in and get the work done. So this week is really exciting. This is where you want to be because we are renovating our 100-year-old home. Let's jump right into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. I did gain a bit of new subscribers, and I'm excited. Hi, you guys. Yours truly, Nikki, and we're doing everything ourselves. The DIY queen. We are doing it ourselves. We're getting our hands dirty, and we are turning this 100-year-old home into our dream home. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Let's jump right into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe because this is where you want to be. All right, let's get into this cleanup and knocking down the rest of these walls. So we decided to go ahead and remove the insulation from the ceiling, and we didn't want to pull the rest of the boards down because it would break the frame of the wall on this side from the wall we already removed. So we just figured it would be safe if we just brought the saw over here and just went straight across with it. But the nails are out, the boards are halfway off. All we have to do is saw across and everything will fall. So while we wait to do that, because we didn't bring the saw in this video, we decided to go ahead and remove the cabinet. Now we couldn't remove the cabinet because it was still connected to the water line and we really don't know what we're doing, so we had to wait for hubby to come home to take care of all of that. And I am super happy that he did get under there because everything was just tearing down. Here you are going to see us have a conversation because he tried to change the floor plan. Every time he sees something, he's like, oh, let's do this, and ooh, let's do that. And I'm always like, no, I have to put a stop to it because we already have it out. I already have it planned, and he would change everything 100 times. So we did have a little pause with us talking because he wanted to change, and he always tried to save things, and he was trying to save this cabinet. But y'all, somebody was gonna have to come and save him because there is no way we're keeping this cabinet. Look at the cabinet. It's just tore down. Yes, you can fix it up, but I don't want to do any of that. I want everything new. So yeah, he's gonna go ahead and disconnect the water line, make sure everything is turned off, and him and the boys are going to remove the cabinet. Now in the beginning you did see my other two kids, because I have 3 children that never comes to the house to help. They never come to the house to work. They always want to stay behind so they can play video games and all of that. So we made them do majority of the work when they did come out to the house, because we know that it's probably going to be another month before one of them come back out to this house to try to help us. So yeah, let's jump right back into removing the cabinets and the wall. So hubby found this can and it says flour on it, and he tried with all his might to open it. Okay. And right in the middle of him trying to open this can, I was like, you know what? Maybe it's best that we don't open it because there's no telling what's inside and what's going to pop out. And if somebody start acting crazy, listen, I'm leaving them behind, okay? I'm not that parent that's going to go through hoops to save you if something attaches to you, okay? So yeah, I'm glad he couldn't get it open. We did put it to the side, but this can did not budge, okay?
Hot water, and it's going to the sewage.
And those are under the house.
You're not replacing
Well,
this?
these.
Well, we taking the wall
these go
down.
to this one goes to the hot water.
I didn't want
I
to.
think they both go to the hot water.
Can you cut through here to see how big it is?
What you mean?
Because we taking this down.
Yeah.
But I want to see how big it is,
What you mean?
so we don't hit no pipes and nothing. What you running from?
Oh, snap. Where'd that light come from? Oh.
It's like
that?
paper.
I hear it. You
Uh-oh.
hear it under the ground? Can you feel it?
What?
Right here. When you're doing that, something's moving. It's making a
Shaking?
metal sound.
Yep. I feel it under my feet.
And that's the cold water going outside.
We still have to get this piece down, but for the most part, and this piece, for the most part, we got everything down. We lost daylight, and we have a little light here, but not enough for me to continue recording for you guys. We have to take this wall down, move this mattress out, but so far so good. And yep, we will see you tomorrow. Well, we will be back tomorrow. We're closing up.